Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Young Boss OC. Today, we're talking about a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to make money in 2023. The digital world is constantly evolving, and the skills you need to succeed are always changing. That's why I want to share with you the top 5 digital skills you need to learn in order to make a fortune in 2023. Skill 1: Digital Marketing. First up, digital marketing. With the rise of technology and the internet, the way we do business has changed. The world is now digital, and businesses need to have a strong online presence to succeed. That's why digital marketing is a must-learn skill. You can specialize in areas like search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click advertising, PPC, social media marketing, and email marketing. Skill 2: Web development. Next, web development. The demand for skilled web developers is growing, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, web development is a great skill to learn. You can create websites, build custom solutions for businesses, or even work as a freelance developer. Skill 3: Mobile app development. Third, mobile app development. In a world where we're constantly on our phones, mobile apps are becoming more important than ever. If you have a passion for technology and design, mobile app development is a great skill to learn. You can build apps for businesses, create your own app to sell, or even work as a freelance developer. Skill 4: Graphic design. Fourth, graphic design. With the rise of social media and digital marketing, graphic design is becoming more important than ever. Businesses need visuals to stand out online, and that's where graphic designers come in. If you have an eye for design and creativity, graphic design is a great skill to learn. Skill 5: Data analytics. Last but not least, data analytics. In today's digital world, data is everything. Businesses need to make informed decisions based on data, and that's where data analysts come in. If you have a knack for numbers and problem solving, data analytics is a great skill to learn. And there you have it, the top 5 digital skills you need to learn in order to make a fortune in 2023. Remember, the digital world is constantly evolving, so keep learning and growing your skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more digital money-making content.